In this video, we will discuss about 10 YouTube channel ideas which can be started without showing face. Many people want to get started on YouTube and become a successful YouTuber, but many of them fear of showing their face on YouTube videos. Creators drop the idea of starting a YouTube channel for their fear of being seen on videos in YouTube. Let's discuss YouTube channel ideas you can start without showing your face. Before starting today's list, there is a common question of creators that need to be answered. Can you make money on YouTube without showing face? YouTube has become strict in case of monetization, but if you are creating original content, then you can surely make money on YouTube. You can always switch to showing your face once you have good number of followers or have enough confidence to show your face. Idea number 1. Use presentation slides. You can actually use presentation slides created with Microsoft PowerPoint or Keynote and use them to create voiceover videos. You can also create slides with Google Slides and later use them to create videos. Idea number 2. Create whiteboard animation. This is one of my favorite ideas to start YouTube channel without showing face. You can create amazing whiteboard animation videos with software like VideoScribe or Doodly and can get started after watching some tutorials online. Idea number 3. Screen recording videos. You must have seen tutorials on YouTube where creators show how to do some stuffs online by recording their computer or mobile phone screen. You can also create such screen recording videos and start a YouTube channel. Idea number 4. Create animation videos. Another great idea to start videos without showing your face can be creating animation videos. If you are good at creating animation videos, you can do it yourself or hire someone from Fiverr or Freelancer to do the job for you. Idea number 5. Product reviews or DIY videos. Well, this is another great idea to create videos without showing your face. You can create a video reviewing a product, showing the product in your hands, or just showing the product. Also, unboxing products is another great way to create faceless videos. You just have to show your hands unboxing a product from its box and show what else comes inside the box. Idea number 6. Podcasts. The main content on the podcast is mostly in audio, so you can create podcasts if you don't want to show your face in YouTube videos. Start a podcast channel on any topic you are interested in. You can use static image and record the entire audio and post it on YouTube. Idea number 7. Stock footage. If you want to create awesome videos without showing your face, consider using stock footage available online. You can use stock image available for free from different websites like Unsplash, and also free stock videos from like Pixabay and Pixels. Insert voiceover on the image and stock videos, and with proper editing you can create professional faceless YouTube videos. Idea number 8. Cooking videos without showing face. If you want to start a cooking channel on YouTube, then you can create videos without showing your face. Show your ingredients and focus your camera on the gas or oven and show your audience mixing and stirring stuffs with just your hands. You can create awesome cooking videos without your face being shown. Idea number 9. Travel videos. Travel is one of the most popular category in YouTube. If you love traveling, then you can create travel videos even without showing your face. Pick your camera, take the beautiful shots of places you visit and create a beautiful video. You can also include drone shots if you want. Idea number 10. Share cool facts. If you have interests in science or history or any other niche, you can start a channel on sharing cool facts. This could be a great niche to create faceless videos. If you can do some research for your videos, you can use image or footage from stock websites for this type of videos. Last but not least, there are so many other ideas that can be started to take off your YouTube journey. I believe you not willing to show your face on your YouTube videos should not stop you from being next successful YouTuber. So I hope this list of creating faceless video ideas on YouTube will help you create your YouTube channel.